how my Instagram business has allowed me to travel to 27 different states, 8 countries in the last 365 days. Guys, it ain't that hard. I just got really good at something, and here's the tip, here's the secret. I dominated the industry. I occupy the space. See, you don't necessarily have to do Instagram. If it's your thing, if you want to learn it, great. There's a link below for you guys. You guys can click on it, get yourself access to the course. But I'm not here to sell you anything. Listen, what I want you to do is get a pen and a piece of paper out, subscribe to the channel, and take notes on what I'm about to say. What I saw was an opportunity, okay? When I began on this whole Instagram social media journey, by the way, my name is Ben Oberg. I'm a 7-figure earner with Instagram. I've trained thousands of people all over the world, made millions, and I didn't go to college. I don't have the degree. I don't have the piece of paper that says I've gone into $160,000 of student loan debt just so I could get a shit-ass job making $47,000 per year. I understand my taxes. I understand how to make money. I understand how to keep my money, and I understand how to make the dead presidents go work for me. But what I saw was an opportunity. So back when I quit my job in car sales in 2016, I saw a huge opportunity. Instagram was this emerging market. People were moving over to Instagram, but nobody was teaching it. So I thought, learn, do, teach. I'm gonna learn it, I'm gonna get good at it, I'm gonna slap the mosquito on my neck, and then I'm gonna start teaching it. I'm gonna get the mosquito out of my mouth. There's mosquitoes everywhere, guys. We're in Zion National Park right now. It's still 95 degrees. I got an excessive amount of pit sweat. Mosquito, you can keep that in. But the point is, guys, you gotta get good at something and become so good that you occupy the industry. And nobody's teaching and training business owners and entrepreneurs how to build a business on Instagram like we are. We're the best, we dominate. So I said, look, I gotta start teaching it. I come out as one of the first starting to teach it. I get really good at it. I learn how to monetize it. I'm showing other people, I'm working with them, helping them get results, and then boom, I monetize that. I'm monetizing my account. I'm building my company by teaching and mentoring people. And then pretty soon, businesses and entrepreneurs are paying me to help them grow their business using Instagram and then building it to a point where they're making hundreds of thousands of dollars per year. So you just gotta find your thing and get really good at it. Now, if you wanna do Instagram, Instagram is the branding platform. So I highly recommend it. But all you have to do is get good at something. Back in 2017, my now girlfriend and I rode a motorcycle all the way through this canyon. Right through here, right on this very road. We rode a motorcycle all the way through this canyon. There's probably a rattlesnake about to bite me right now. So we were able to go to 27 states, 8 countries. We went all the way across the United States on a motorcycle while I'm getting paid. Every time I stopped for gas, which is pretty often, it's only like a 4-gallon tank, I'm making thousands of dollars, okay? And in 2017, I did about $400,000 with Instagram. 2018, did about $600,000 with Instagram. 2019, I'm doing multiple millions with Instagram, and it's huge. So you just have to find the opportunity, okay? Maybe you've got a talent. Maybe you've got a craft. You got to exert your energy in that direction. I see too many people trying to do too many different things, and they go on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, blogging, modeling, music. Look, there's a thing that you need to do, and you need to find what that thing is. If you don't know what that thing is yet, your priority is to discover that thing, is to try the things that you want to do, try the things that you might think you're interested in, and then figure out what it is that you seem to really enjoy. Everybody's going to have their time. If you don't hustle, if you don't apply, that time is not going to come. But if you apply, all right, and you put in the work, you're going to discover what that is. If you've discovered it, and for some people, that happens at 15. They already know coming out of the womb. They know at 30, they know at 45, okay? Everybody's got their time and place. So don't compare your success or your lack of success to others. There's a lot of people that have surpassed me in less time, all right? But I'm consistent, and I will work my ass off, and I'll work resourcefully and hard and smart, and nobody's gonna win. Nobody's gonna win that game with me. Now I'm gonna go jump off this cliff. A lot of people multitask, like I am right now. And I'm gonna stop multitasking because there legit is a cliff here. You just have to find one thing that you're extremely good at and practice it. I got really good at marketing on Instagram. I decided to teach it, and I decided to go all in on that. And I built an entire business around it. And that's led me to Ty Lopez's own doorstep to train his members. That's led me to speak on the same stage as Gary Vaynerchuk. That's led me to a lot of different places to speak in front of a lot of different people, work with a lot of different people, from fashion bloggers to musicians to DJs to videographers to professional athletes, just because of my knowledge of Instagram and the demand for it. So recap, guys, brand new to the channel, you need to subscribe. Absolutely, okay? This is the channel for entrepreneurs. This is where entrepreneurs are born. This is where entrepreneurs are created. You've got to get yourself access to the right information, guys. So look at what it is that you want to do. And your goal needs to be, hey, I need to occupy the market. I need to dominate it. I can't be, okay in it. I can't be somebody in it. I got to be the guy at the top. I got to be the woman at the top. I'm the industry leader, okay? Nobody does it like I do it. I'm 10 times better. My company, my people, my team, 10 times better than anybody else in there, okay? And at the end of the day, when people get my product, when they buy my services, they realize, hey, this guy, this company, his employees, his people have integrity. They show up, they're first there, they're last to leave, they dominate. They don't have the fake it till you make it style. They're not doing the fancy hook you promo videos backed up by nothing. They've got the results, they're working with the right people, they have the right information, they've produced the right results. Okay, so to recap this, you want to find what you're passionate about. If you don't know what that is, you need to hammer down. Your priority, your only focus is finding that passion. Don't worry about the bullshit people out there that want to drag you down and tell you what to go do and go to college and go get a degree, go get some life experience. No, discover what that thing is. You got it, you need to start running with it, okay? And then once you have that thing, you need to dominate the space. Don't go, I just want to be, I just kind of want to dabble in it, okay? Business ain't for you if you want to dabble in it. That's not what business is. You're going to get cut out by the people that want to hustle, okay? So you want to dominate that space. And the best way to figure it out is, what are the problems people are facing in that industry, okay? A lot of people will start a company with the wrong motive. I want to do print-on-demand t-shirts. I want to start an e-commerce business. But why, okay? And what's the demand there, okay? Don't just start it out of spite and think you're going to work hard to have it succeed. What's the problem in the marketplace? Identify it, okay? Go into the market. What's the problem? Ask this person. Ask Tom. Ask Bobby. Ask Joe. Ask Sue, okay? Figure out what the problem, the common denominator, all right? Usually it has something to do with making things easier for people. All right, making it take less time, making it more understandable, all right? Providing more value than what they can get elsewhere, okay? Figure out the problem in the industry and sell it back to them. Sell the solution back to them. It's so easy because it's gonna work, all right? You figure out what the problem is. All right, well, I need a car that gets 50 miles per gallon, that's electric, that has very little emissions, and I need to be able to have it for under $50,000. Okay, great, boom, Tesla, okay? I need to be able to have an iPhone that's sleek and I don't want a keyboard or a cell phone. Oh, boom, Apple, okay? I want to be able to get from point A to point B, but I don't have a car. Uber, Lyft, okay? What is the problem in the marketplace? How can you provide the solution? Identify the problem, come up with a solution, test the solution, put it into beta, help people get results, sell it back to the market, occupy the market space and dominate it. Don't be in the market. Don't be a sailboat in the ocean. Be the damn ocean. My name is Ben Oberg. I'm here to train you up as an entrepreneur. I'm here to build you up. I'm here to motivate you. Subscribe to the channel. Smash that like button. If there's anything I can do for you, drop a comment below. I respond to all of them, and I'll see you in the next video.